Hi, today we're going to simulate a failure so we can utilize the Azure backup and recover this VM. As you can see, I have a website running here. Okay, so it is online, it's working. Let me refresh here again. Refresh. Yeah, it works well. Okay, loads very fast. So let's say I'm doing some kind of maintenance. I'm simulating here. Okay, simulating a failure. So the scenario is I mistakenly deleted files that I shouldn't have deleted. Okay, so it can be anything lah. I mean, I'm giving a scenario here to just as maintenance failure. That means I failed to recognize what to delete and what not to delete. But it can be anything, any other failure, any or undesired changes in the VM itself. It could be virus attack, a malware attack, and you want to revert back to previous state. So you can use Azure Backup to do that. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this two folders, delete those folders, and from recycle bin, delete it from the recycle bin itself, empty recycle bin. So I cannot restore. So as you can see, there's no more these two folders here. These two folders are important for the website to run, and the recycle bin is empty. Now I came to realization I've done a mistake. So how do I revert back? So let's minimize this. Let's check our website. Is it running? All right. Now you can see internal server error. So I have this problem by mistake during maintenance. I mean, I've deleted the files which I shouldn't have deleted. So let's go back to backup and recover this. So in Cloud Portal, I'll go to the virtual machine. Okay. As you can see, the virtual machine is there. So what I do first is shut down the virtual machine in order for me to do recovery. So I click on stop. Yes. Okay, now it's going to stop the virtual machine. Click on the progress bar to see the status. Okay, it has stopped the virtual machine. So now let's close the notification. On the left bottom, I'm going to scroll down, go to backup. So I click on the backup button. Okay, as you can see, I have multiple backups in multiple days. Depending on how your policy is set, the option here may vary. Okay, so my policy is daily, keep for 15 days. I can choose any of this backup to whichever date I want to roll back to. The thing is, since I just did this exercise, I'm going to choose the latest one. Okay, so go to your right, click on this option button, context menu, click on that and restore VM. So here you got two options. One is create new and replace existing. You can create new VM from this particular backup, but it is chargeable. Once you create another instance in Azure, it is chargeable. I don't want to do that. I just replace the existing VM. Click on that. So here I select an option, pause the staging location, click on that. Now I'm going to click on restore. So before I start restore, it will validate again to see everything is in place for it to do the restoration. Okay, let's open this, trigger restore. It's running. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, now you can see restore triggered successfully. Please monitor progress in backup job page. Okay, view jobs. Click on that. Okay, okay, it's still in progress. Let's wait. Well, it's taking very long for it to update the virtual machine. So basically that transfer data from Vault is already done. Just the update virtual machine is taking a bit of time. So it took around 20 minutes for the restore to complete. As you can see, the total duration 20 minutes 40 seconds. Go back to the virtual machine. Add virtual machine. Let's try to start it. Start. Okay, it has started. It's running. Let's open the website again, refresh. Voila, the website is up. Let's go into the VM itself and see. Connect. Alright, now let's see all the folders are there or not. Yeah, all the files are there. Everything is there. Website is running. Okay, website is also running. So we have reverted the VM to working state again. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.